Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let go. I don't know why you love me.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another hair appointment vlog. I'm gonna go do my hair today. I'm doing my hair for a couple of reasons today. First of all, I have an event. Well, I have to shoot for a campaign tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, I have an event. And thirdly, I really am craving a good body wave. I've been craving a really nice, just, 22, 24 inch body wave. I am going to go and remove my lashes. Don't talk about me. But yeah. So I have this 22 inch body wave from Modern Hair Show. So yeah, it's a frontal. I'm very excited. I did unbox it and show everything that I received. And they give you all these free gifts and stuff. But my inspo for today is very, very simple. Just like a middle part body wave, maybe some baby hairs, So yeah, if you are interested in getting the wig that I will be installing today, then definitely go into my description box. I will have all the information about the hair. I'll have the direct link to the actual wig that I'll be wearing, but I'll also have a link to Modern Hair Show. They have a lot of beautiful wigs that you can check out. So I will put all of that in the description box. But yeah, let's go. Alrighty, so today guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am actually trying a new hairstylist out for the first time. So yeah, what he started out doing was just looking at how the wig looked on my head, and then as you can see, he just plucked out a little bit on this side. That's me taking stories. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. But yes, now we are going to cut off the lace. So his method is a bit different. He tints the hair or the lace after putting it on your head, and it actually kind of worked out. Well, not kind of, it looked beautiful. So yeah, all we're doing right now is just cutting off the lace to make sure that it fits my ears properly. And what he's actually doing over here is applying the glue. And this was the first time I ever used Ghost Bond. I was kind of surprised. I was like, oh, what's that? Because I'm used to using Got To Be. But then he was like, no, this is Ghost Bond. And I was like, okay, so how does it work? This is actually me asking how you remove it. And it's pretty simple. All you do is take some rubbing alcohol that you can find at Dis-Chem, and you just rub it on the lace and it should be fine. And then it was time to start blow drying the lace and making sure that everything is laid in place. And it didn't take a long time for the Ghost Bond to do what we needed it to do. I was really surprised. I was scared, but I was very much open to trying something new, especially because this is a new hairstylist. So I was like, let me do what I need to do, So this is actually where he starts tinting my lace to match my skin. And I was surprised at how well this worked. I wore this wig for maybe 4 or 5 days, and the color that he put on the lace didn't transfer. It didn't start getting white. It actually started looking better and better as time went on. And then over here, he is just putting pomade on my lace. Some people do this just to make sure that the hair lays away from the lace. As you can see, he's just taking an edge brush and brushing the hair away, especially because I requested no baby hairs. I decided to just change my mind last minute and just do a clean install. So then after finding the part and making sure that the part is perfect, we take a wax stick and we're going to start like flattening the top of the hair. But of course, we need some got2b spray just to make sure everything is in place. And then the edges were just laid nicely with that stocking cap. And then we are just flattening out the top of the hair. And as you can see, it's laid, darling. And all that's really left is for us to start curling the hair. So while we curl, let me tell you how I feel about the wig and how I experienced it. So like I said, I wore it for like 4 to 5 days because of the fact that I actually had glue on the lace, so I could wear it for longer. I love the hair. It is absolutely beautiful. I will show you at the end of this video where I show you how the curls kind of drop. One thing about this hair, it can hold a curl for very, very long. I enjoyed that. I did have a shoot, like I told you in the beginning of the video, and throughout the shoot, my hair curled beautifully. It stayed curled. It was beautiful. And I think I was at my shoot for maybe like 2 hours. So the curls didn't drop, and I love that. I'm absolutely impressed with modern show hair. And as you can see, guys, like it was just beautiful. I have been craving, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have just been craving a good body wave, okay? I'm sure the clips speak for themselves. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, then definitely go into my description box. I will have the link to this hair. I really recommend if you want a body wave that lasts a long time when it comes to holding up a curl, a beautiful lace. It was just a beautiful time. I really enjoyed this install. And as promised, this is how I looked after my shoot. Guys, the hair dropped beautifully, and it didn't even drop that much, but it dropped beautifully. It just looked so stunning. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, guys. I will see you in my next one.